Hello world, I'm Zenit, and today we're gonna follow this guide that basically does exactly what we need, which is to extract text from PDF file and search keywords from extracted text in Python. That's amazing. That's the first result. Now let's go into here. I already installed this one. Let's maybe let's skip ahead to the final code. Okay, no, let me piece it together myself. Why not? I mean, I clearly am not struggling with aligning those windows. So let's get rid of this, and then now it's the time for coding. We can keep this to read through all files, and now we need to do maybe let's do this in a function, right? Def read and find needle, and then we pass needle, or let's just see how it grows, right? Okay, so we start with our file, and then we do open this one, paste it in here. Maybe we use the file that we actually pass it instead of one that doesn't even exist, and create a reader. Now we have the reader. Perfect. And then what do we do as the next one? Text, extract text, split text. Okay, let's get this. Why didn't it copy? I hate Medium when it comes to copy pasting. Medium is like the worst when it comes to copy pasting. Why are people still blogging on that platform? Now let's do the search keywords in here. Our search keywords are better because we actually want user, password. All right. All right, and where did we get the sentences? Wait, why? What? Okay, you know what? In here, let's just go up until here. Print text. What do we have in here? All right, all right. That's why I wanted an entire code and not just pieced together pieces that aren't even, some are missing things. That's like the best tutorial I've could have gotten. Yay, good job me. So back to this, let's actually exit here and just read and find needle of the file called 2020-0101 uploads. Is it uploads or upload? Upload.pdf, and then let's Python read PDFs. Name PyPDFs is not defined. I'm pretty sure it is, but just for your maybe I need to install it in pip3 as well. Python used to be so easy and fun, and now it's just, why is the global name not available? Alright, I am stupid. Again, I forgot to import it. Sometimes my genius is amazing. Okay, we missed the page object. I hope they have all... Oh, come on. So in here, we've gotta do something else first. So for range, or for E in range 0 to PDF. Yeah, of course, PDF reader dot num pages. Then in here we can say we want the page object, which should be the current E. All right, -1. Let's run this. In here, print the text in here. Okay, the text is empty. That didn't work at all. That's amazing. Why didn't that work? Let's split it. Text is equal to text.split. Let's split it at the period so that we get the sentences. And let's just print out the first one, right? Why not? Shut up with your deprecated stuff. Okay, so it didn't do anything. Is that what we're getting here? But here is some text, so something is clearly up. This tutorial was horrible. Horrible. Horrible tutorial. I would give it a rating of -7 out of 100. And I hope to see you in the next episode when we will be using a real thing that actually works. All right. Have a nice evening. Bye bye.